Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a C++ project on the topic Code Snippet Manager. So first let us look at the requirements. We require an IDE for running and compiling the source code as usual in every project. We require code blocks or VS Code for a better experience. These are the text editors where you are going to put your code. Then we require an operating system. It may be any operating system, but here I have used Windows 10. You can use any operating system like Windows 10, 11 or any other latest version as per your choice. Then there are certain libraries used. In various projects we implement certain libraries according to our demand. But in this project, there are no external libraries used. I haven't used any external library. And in the header files, we have various header files used here. The IO stream, the map, vector and the string. These are the certain header files, and these header files are basically used in the code so that we can import certain libraries, we can import certain functionalities of different header files and we can execute in our code. So I hope this part is clear to you. Now we'll be moving towards VS Code and I'll show you how the exact code looks like and what are these functionalities. Okay, I have already written the code for you. See all these header files which I explained you there, it's mentioned here already. Then we have a class called code snippet where under the public access specifier are of three types, that is public, private and protected. So basically we have used the public access specifier here so that this snippet or this coding part can be used everywhere inside the code, inside the program, that is by the child class, the parent class, any inherited class, etc. So here we have string title, string category and string code. Then these are the code snippet functions where we are taking these as the parameters. These are the actual parameters here. The string here, the what you can call, these are basically the parameters which are passed, the string parameters which are passed. All the three are string parameters which takes address of the certain variable which is intended to. Then we have a class called Code Snippet Manager where under the private, this is the private access specifier, that means this is particularly defined to this program only. It cannot be this class only, this cannot be inherited by any other subclass. So here what we have title, category and snippet. Then under this we have a void display category where we are going to display all the categories of snippet like category 1, category 2, category 3, etc. Then it will show you what snippets are there in the category along with the titles. If the category is not found, it says sorry, the category is not found, you can try again later. Then in case of the edit snippet category, here you can edit or you can update the snippet, like you can make certain changes if you think that no, this is not from this category, so we can basically have certain categories, we can implement certain categories, etc. It says snippet not found. If the snippet is not found, it says snippet not found. Then we have the save snippet to file. In here, whatever we have, the snippets, we can save it in the file handling. We can proceed to the file handling procedure here. Then these are the load snippets from file. That is what snippets we have in the file format that we can bring to the program and we can take help from there. Then the search snippet. Search snippet is basically used to search a snippet on the basis of the category and title. Then code snippet manager. Here in the main function, we have all these functionalities: the add snippet, edit snippet, display category, display snippet, search snippet and exit. And you have to enter your choice accordingly. Then these are the switch cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5 and case 6 and default. So basically you can see this is the add snippet. So here you have to enter the category, the title and the code snippet. Here this is the category. Here you have to enter the title and the new code snippet. This is the display category, that is the category will be displayed. This is case 4 is your what? Case 4 was my display snippets. So here basically the snippets will be displayed. And this is, you have to search a snippet, I guess. Yes, you have to search snippet. And 6th is your exit and default will be invalid choice. You have to try again. So now what we are going to do is we are going to run this code. Let me run. I have to delete it and run it again. Sometimes you get a fatal error, so don't be like very anxious about it. See, here we have code snippet manager. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a snippet. So I enter a choice 1. My category says 2. My title will be, say, something related to, what you can say, color. I want something related to color. Code snippet is import color from snippet color. Say I have written this, you can write, you can modify accordingly. I have written, this is for example a simple code I'm writing. So this is already entered. Now let me display the snippets to see color and import color from snippet color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit categories to title. See, I have written color, so I need to change it to snippet color. Snippet color. Code will be same. Let's keep the code same. No problem. Let's keep this same. Import color from snippet color. Cool. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to display category. So the categories are 1 and 2. Now what we are going to do, I am going to display snippets. Category 1. This is the title was clock and I have import. This I created before. Now what I am going to do is I am going to show the current category which I have done. Category was 2. See, import color from snippet color. The title has been changed to color. So I hope you understood the working of this code. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.